Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Quality Inn. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Offering a fitness center, Quality Inn Windsor Mill is located in Rolling Road Farms in the Maryland region, 7.5 miles from Baltimore. Guests can enjoy the on-site bar. Rooms come with a private bathroom. There is a business center at the property. Wi-Fi is available free of charge. Annapolis is 25 miles from Quality Inn Windsor Mill, while Silver Spring is 25 miles from the property. The nearest airport is Baltimore, Washington Airport, 8 miles from the property. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.